welcome back to English Learning Class, where learning English feels easy, fun, and real.
That's right. Whether you're listening while working, relaxing, or dreaming about your future success, you're in the right place.
And today's topic is something exciting, something powerful, and something that could actually change your life.
We're talking about making money online.
Yes, and not just money, we're going to help you learn real English expressions while understanding how people earn online.
So you improve your English and your income mindset at the same time. That's a win-win.
Let's start simple. Daniel, what does make money online actually mean?
Good question. It means earning money using the internet instead of a traditional job like working in an office or shop.
Exactly. You can work from home, a cafe, or even your bed.
But don't get too comfortable. Making money online still requires effort, skills, and consistency.
Great word, consistency. That means doing something regularly without giving up. I want to earn money online. I'm looking for online income opportunities. I want financial freedom. I want to work from home.
So Hannah, why is everyone talking about online income these days?
Because it offers freedom. Freedom of time, location, and lifestyle.
Let's break that down. Time freedom, you choose when to work. Location freedom, you can work from anywhere. Financial freedom, no income limit.
And honestly, people are tired of working 9-to-5 jobs they don't love.
Exactly. Many people want to be their own boss. I don't want a traditional job. I want to build my own online business.
Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to start.
Right. If you have a skill like writing, designing, or video editing, you can offer services online.
You work for clients and get paid per project. Client, project, deadline, payment.
Like your channel. YouTube is powerful.
Yes, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing.
But remember, it takes time to grow. Success doesn't happen overnight.
You can teach English or any subject online.
That's perfect for you since you're already learning English.
This is when you promote products and earn a commission.
For example, you recommend something, someone buys it, and you earn money.
You can create ebooks, courses, or templates.
Create once, sell many times. That's smart income.
Let's talk about something very important, mindset.
Yes, without the right mindset, you won't succeed. Be patient, stay consistent, keep learning. Don't fear failure.
Failure is not the end, it's part of the journey.
Exactly. Every successful person failed many times. I will not give up, even if it's difficult.
Let's be honest, many beginners make mistakes.
Yes, and we want you to avoid them. Expecting quick money, not learning skills, giving up too early, following scams.
If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is.
There is no magic shortcut.
To succeed online, you need skills.
Let's list some important ones. Communication, English helps a lot. Writing, basic computer skills, marketing, creativity.
And guess what? You're already improving your English here.
That means you're building a valuable skill.
Let's imagine someone named Rahim.
Rahim starts with no money, but he learns graphic design.
He practices every day, watches tutorials, and improves.
After a few months, he gets his first client.
Then more clients, more income, and eventually full-time freelancing.
That could be you.
Let's make it simple. Step 1, choose a skill. Step 2, learn and practice. Step 3, create a profile. Step 4, start small. Step 5, stay consistent.
Small steps lead to big success.
Let's practice some sentences together. I want to build an online income. I am learning new skills every day. I believe in my future. I will succeed.
Say them out loud. Confidence comes with practice.
Remember this, your current situation is not your final destination.
You can change your life with the right mindset and action.
Start today, not tomorrow, not next week.
Today.
All right, everyone, that's all for today's lesson.
We hope you learned useful English and got inspired to start your online journey.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Learning Class.
And tell us in the comments how you want to make money online.
Keep learning, keep growing.
And we'll see you in the next episode.